Italijan Daniele Molmenti se je lani pri nas okitil z naslovom najboljšega kajakaša na svetu. Ni naključje. Zakaj? Zato, ker je pri nas zelo domač. In seveda pozna tudi ime reke, ki mu je ponudila največji uspeh v karieri.
I'm here really often. It's just 2 hours from my hometown, and it's the first closest wild water place to my hometown. And then I like the food here. I like Slovenian people, so easy for me to come. I can order some pivo, some cevapčiči, I can survive in Slovenia, yeah.
Uspehe je začel nizati leta 2009 z naslovom evropskega prvaka. Ključ njegove preobrazbe v šampiona pa se skriva v velikem razočaranju sezono pred tem.
Everything started from 2008 when I lose the Olympic Games. I start to think more about everything in slalom, the preparation, the technical, the mental condition, and all the results come because I work a lot, I'm training a lot, I'm eating well, and I'm a full athlete, 24 hours per day. Before it was a bit different. It was more fun, and maybe less serious, But in K1 especially, you must be a top athlete, every day, all the time, because the difference sometimes is very close. We play for 0-1, 0-2 for the medal, so you have to be a full athlete.
5 let ga trenira Paolo Ferrazzi, olimpijski zmagovalec iz Barcelone, s katerim imata natančno izdelan plan, ki naj bi ga popeljal še do zadnje manjkajoče lovorike. Tiste pod 5 krogi.
He's a really good coach. He's really good to see what I cannot see when I'm in the water. When you are out of the water, you can see different line, and now he knows me pretty well. He knows what's my potential, and he can tell me where I can try to risk, because he thinks that I'm not risking, and where I can, save a bit my energy. It's just a different point of view, and then my idea and his idea together will make me run. In my hometown, I don't have such a good place like here. I have a flat water, so I have to spend lots of time in the gym to grow my muscle and to make a good power for my muscle. Then I can come here, and be like the other athletes. And yeah, then it's from when I was junior, like years ago, that everyone said that I am the most powerful athlete here and a bit less technical, but I'm growing also in the technique, and that's the result. I'm just winning a lot.
Poleg specialnega trenerja za kajak in strokovnjaka za telesno pripravo, s katerim se družita predvsem po zimi, pa je v strokovni ekipi svetovnega prvaka tudi psiholog.
Well, it's an opportunity that our federation gives us. The name is Beppe Vercelli, and he works with the ski Italian team, and they start to work with us, the flat water guys, and us from the slalom. And well, we just start to talk, and the first time he said to me that I don't need psychology because I'm pretty focused, I know what I have to do, and I don't really need it. But then before the race, 30 minutes, an hour talk, just to make clear all I have in my mind, it's just another opportunity to be more sure of the results you can do. I race to beat myself. The other athletes are always there, ready to beat me if I made a mistake, so my goal is to don't make mistakes in the race. Usually if I don't make any mistakes, I'm faster than the other. The classic opponent is Peter Kauser, of course. We grow together from when we were a junior, and in the last year we are leading. And well, 2009-2010 was pretty good season for both of us, and he won what I lose, and I won what he lose all the time. So, but there's also other athletes in the world ready to beat us. So I can't say it's just him, but it's one of the hardest to beat, especially here in Tacen.
In prav tu bo nov veliki spopad s konkurenco imel tudi 26-letni Italijan. Na svoji najljubši progi, ki bo med 24. in 26. junijem gostila prvo tekmo letošnjega svetovnega pokala. Karavana s svetovnim prvakom na čelu se bo torej znova ustavila v Sloveniji.
Buongiorno, qui a Tacen in Slovenia dal 24 al 26 ci saranno la prima gara della Coppa del Mondo di Slalom. Io sono il campione del mondo in carica e il campione della Coppa del Mondo in carica. Sarò qui per difendere il titolo, venite a vedermi. Ciao!